Don't look at me. Work.
Right.
Keep it on high, baby.
Keep it on what?
Keep it on high, baby.
Right. I'm done.
There you go, there. Keep it on high. Welcome back to Keep It On High. So today we're going to be checking out a luxury apartment complex here in North Carolina. I've filmed and edited this video, so we're going to check it out. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay with me because I'm constantly doing construction build projects. I'm filming construction build projects, filming marketing videos, and much more. Comment, let me know some of the things you guys want to see, and I'll try to get to it. We keep it on high.